Hey everyone, welcome back to the StraboSpot channel. I'm Claire and today we're going to be walking through StraboMicro. First things first, this is our main viewing window. This is where you see photomicrographs that you've added into your project. On the left-hand side here, we have our project navigation. This shows you your data sets, your samples that have been added, your reference and associated photomicrographs. They're nested within the main thin sections. Dataset level is denoted with the yellow folder here. You can search MF, EF, 5. You can create groups, so a list of spots, or create tags. At the top here, you have your pan and select. You can zoom in, zoom out, and recenter. If you zoom in, and then you want to recenter, we'll organize it back in the middle. Down at the bottom here, you have your notes. So project notes, these are notes that apply to the entire project. Sample notes, these apply to the sample, and micrograph notes apply to the image. On the right-hand side, you can see over here, sample notes. What I'm highlighting here is that no matter if you add notes in the notes section at the bottom of the application or in the metadata pane on the right-hand side, the notes will sync up and be visible in both locations, project, micrograph, and sample notes. And you can hide or show, you can move it higher or lower. Same with this, you can hide or show, fit in or out. And here you can hide, show, move it in or out. The location, XY, is showing where your mouse is currently hovering over the micrograph. The zoom percent is telling you how zoomed in you are on the current micrograph. This is the point spot button. You can add a spot. I will cover this in a future video. We have the line spot, polygon spot, lasso tool, sketch tool, measure distance, and this button allows you to move the toolbar to different areas on the main viewing window. On the right hand side we have the details pane. There's a micrograph, sketches, and project tab. The sketch layers I will cover in a future video. The project tab shows you all of the metadata associated with the project, and the micrograph tab shows you all the data that's been added to the micrograph. Now I'm going to walk you through the view menu. So first we have show and hide rulers. Then if I navigate to a different photomicrograph, I can show overlay outline. So you see the red outline on the associated photomicrographs. Then show recursive spots. That's showing spots that are on the associated photomicrographs on your main reference photomicrograph. You can change the theme to dark or light, depending on preference. And zooming into a different image, a photomicrograph, you can show the spot labels, show the mineralogy labels. So I've assigned albite as this lamelli mineralogy. You can see here it's assigned albite, and so when I click show mineralogy labels, it shows AB, which is the abbreviation for albite. I'll cover the data types in a future video. You can also hide the spot labels. There's a keyboard shortcut to cycle through the spot labels. That allows you to click through show, hide, spot name, and mineral abbreviation. You can change the color to be the spot color. So if you see here, I'm editing the spot metadata, it's lime green, changing the opacity and it's updating the spot color there. This is a polygon spot. Or I can change it to mineral spot color. So if you assign minerals to several of your spots, then you can visually distinguish the colors based on mineralogy assigned. And that wraps up today's tutorial on the overview of the StraboMicro application. In future videos, we'll cover some of the specific features, types of data, and tools that are built into the application.